Something happened. My son came from school and he told me that he's ripped his jacket. This is his favorite jacket, and look at this. It is ripped. You can literally put your hand inside and all the fillings coming out as well. It is his favorite jacket. It's just the basic next one, and they didn't have any more in stock, so I thought maybe I could try and fix it with Lego. I just got this specific one idea in my head. One piece will solve this. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna check if filling is all flat and nice before I stitch this up. Just like so, that nothing's falling out. I'm gonna try and close the hole just like so, and try and quickly stitch up. The reason I'm doing this first is because once I put the jacket in the washing machine, I'm pretty sure the filling is going to come out if I don't stitch it up. So that's why I'm doing this first. So first step is done. Well, I could leave it as this, but it's not very pretty, isn't it? It's kind of noticeable. It's not very accurate either. And I will use Dot's Stitch On patch. It's literally designed to be stitched on. It looks like this. A tiny 6x6 rubbery base plate. It is windproof, waterproof, flexible, shockproof. I think it's very cool. Right, let me try like that. I'll make sure that it says Lego on the top, and I will stitch it on just like this. I need to choose matching thread. This one I think is a bit too dark. This one, yeah, this one's a bit too dark as well. I think I'll go with this one. Sewing it on is a very, very simple process. It's nothing complicated at all. Once I've done my first side, I will repeat the same process for all the sides. I use double thread for this task just to make sure it really stays on during washing or playing or bike riding, just to ensure it doesn't rip easily. And that's it, the patch is on. Let me check how strong it is. Try pulling it off. No, this is solid. I could leave it like this, it's cool on its own, or I can add something very special. My son likes cars. I decided to add a little flying Ford Anglia to his jacket. What do you think? Does it look like flying Ford Anglia? I hope my son likes it. I can't wait to see his reaction.
Have you fixed it? Look. Oh, there we go. Thanks, Mum.
Do you like it? There you go. I fixed your favorite jacket.
Thanks.
It looks lovely.
I like it.
Yeah? Are you gonna wear it? Yay!
Yes. Mum, I'm going to try it on. It's no different.
Oh, wow, look at that.
So nice.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are You gonna rip again? So we can do it again?
Oh, yeah.
We can rip again to do it again.